Hi everyone, I'm Cristina Tangarife and I'm recording this video on May 24. I think the state and federal political power is significant because it gives the freedom for each state to make its own decision and laws that help the containment and solution of the coronavirus. This means it's a good example how the government works like a team. So it's not only federal government or state government, they work together to make the people feel safe and healthy. So that one is a good example, and for around the world, how you need to work for your population and your people stay safe. Currently, the federal government has created the alert system in the country and have generate community and social aid to the different communities that live in the country. And we know some people don't have the opportunities to stay home because they need to go work outside. So the federal government gives some money or give more time, for example, to pay your taxes. So that one is a good help. So the people need to wait to come back to their works. And in the same way, the state system has created in each state according to the percentage of quarantine, contagion, or staying home, and how the commercial like a restaurant and social system state is reopening. So this is like when each state decide when the restaurant or the stores reopening, and when they thinking you can open it and stay safe, and your work and your job is safe for other people too. So they help you to stay thinking clear about what you need for your stay saving home. Each state must be concerned with individual well-being because according to this population is the contagion capacity. I read this one in one article of Center of Disease Control and Prevention, and so they say, depends how much people live with you, is that people contain and got the virus. So it's like if you live with a lot of people and you have the virus, probably all the people in your house have the coronavirus too. So the most important thing they say is stay social distancing, and if you have the virus, staying home and have your quarantine. The federal state must be held responsibility for the amount of aid that each state can provide, give more option to state government, and offering general quarantines and offering general quarantines against this situation. So one example of how is a good work for each state is like in California we have a different candidates. So in San Francisco, the government decided to go to staying home, decide to make the people staying home early than LA. So right now San Francisco have more or less cases than LA. San Francisco have 2,000 and LA have 43,000 cases. So that means the people listen more what happened and understand the laws, and they decide to stay home. And I read this one in the page of Hawking and John Hopkins University. So they give a map so you can see how much population have around the world and your country in each state. And I think the most important thing for the coronavirus is staying home, be safe, and understand the situation is for everyone. It's not only for the people that don't have opportunity, or if you have, it's like you need to stay home and respect what the government decide. That's it. Bye.